Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Mobile Legends and signing into the specific iOS account you intend to remove. Once done, go straight to Settings account to confirm which binding methods exist: Apple ID, Facebook, Google, VK, or Guest. Make sure to unlink any third-party binds you control. This prevents accidental reattachment later. Also consider backing up purchases or taking screenshots of important stats. You're preparing so the deletion is clean and irreversible when you proceed. Next, navigate Settings to Privacy or Customer Service and select Account Deletion or submit a support ticket requesting permanent removal. You will need to provide exact details: UID, server name, login email, and list of bound services. Attach screenshots as proof. Explain why you want deletion to speed verification. After submission, watch your email for a verification message from Moonton. Make sure to follow links or enter any provided code promptly, since delays can stall the process. Finally, confirm the deletion using the link or code Moonton sends. This is usually irreversible, so read prompts carefully before you accept. Once completed, test by attempting to log in. You should see that the account is deleted or requires a new registration. If anything goes wrong, contact customer service with your ticket ID and full account details. Alternatively, double-check iCloud settings to ensure the Apple ID unlink succeeded. Then, resubmit the deletion request for verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.